Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the dent closely so you know the material and accessibility. Once done, remove any pads, cables, or shells so you can work directly on the dent without obstruction. Heat and suction are the main approaches, so get a heat gun or hair dryer, a small suction cup or soft pick, and a microfiber cloth. You want room to maneuver and to avoid stretching or scratching. Make sure power is off and batteries are removed before applying heat or pressure. You warm the dented zone evenly until it's pliable but not hot enough to damage paint or plastic. About skin hot is a good target. Once warm, apply a small suction cup and pull steadily, or insert a soft pick behind removable shells to push from the inside. While you do that, use your other hand or a padded block to brace the opposite side so the force distributes and you don't create new folds. Pause, reheat if needed, and repeat with controlled, gradual motions. You finish by letting the repaired area cool slowly so the material sets in its corrected shape. Use ambient air or a cool, dry cloth and avoid rapid chilling. Next, replace any removed pads and test fit to ensure comfort and seal. If you see small imperfections, trim or add a thin foam shim or adhesive pad to restore contour. If the dent stubbornly returns, stop. Consider ordering a replacement shell or seeking a pro to avoid damaging internal components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.